We all have our fingers crossed there. Now, Taita Taveta County Assembly members are up in arms after Governor Granton Samboja refused to approve the budget passed with amendment. The Assembly had slashed money for the executive. Let's bring in our reporter Tobias Chanji for more on this report. Chanji, what more do we know?
Very good morning, Michelle. As you said, the MCAs here up in arms after the governor, that's Granton Samboja, refused to sign the budget estimates for the year 2019-2020, saying that they've slashed some of the money from various departments, including the health. But according to the MCAs, that they are saying they didn't slash anything, and that the project that is being said by the governor, it's not available, it cannot be seen anywhere. But as we're speaking, behind me, there are those noises. Those are members of public who just stand up here, and according to some of the MCs, they've been sent by the governor, and they want the entire assembly and the entire government of Taita Taveta to be dissolved. But now, without much ado, I think I'll have to engage some of these MCs to just tell us about their contention concerning these budget matters. Welcome to the studio, KTN Live. We'll start with the introduction, your name, then you can just give us what is happening currently in Taita Taveta.
Listen. My name is Maganga, Meshak Maganga, County Speaker, Taita Taveta. I have this to say to the Kenyans, that the County Assembly did its best as far as the budget of the county 2019-2020 is concerned. It made wide and adequate consultations, for that is what is required in the current dispensation. When we received the estimates from the county executive, we even organized for a sectoral hearings, for the whole of 2 weeks, and it was about exchanging ideas so that we make an informed choices concerning allocations to various departments. And after that, we also invited the other departments like county treasury itself. They came on board up to the very last day. So we are failing to understand where the contention is, because everybody was consulted, every department was consulted. Okay, save for the governor, who was invited by the county assembly but did not show up. He was very busy away, and we had to consult him so that he comes. He told us he's busy with his schedule and other things.
Of course, he must have sent a memorandum. What does it say?
The memorandum, it raised various issues, which we are looking at. But even the issues raised in the memorandum, there are things which we consulted and we agreed between the county treasury, the county assembly, and all the other departments of the county government. But we'll still look at it and on an expedited basis, and we make a determination as a county assembly about it.
Okay. Maybe also have to engage another member, majority leader. Just come near the camera, then just give us your name. Then it's not the first time that we are seeing this hula baloo between the MCAs and the governor. Where did the rain start beating us?
It is unfortunate because I can't understand why the governor is making this move. Actually, as the speaker said, we invited the governor to share with us what he thinks, and the governor did not appear. After that, we instructed the committee on budget to meet the CC in charge of finance and his entire team to look into the budget, and they agreed. Whatever we passed here, it is what we agreed with the committee and his CC, the governor CC, plus the chief officers and his team in general. And whatever you passed here, I repeat again, it is what exactly they agreed with the CC. I don't know what the governor wanted the CC to do, what that we didn't understand or what we could not understand. But whatever you did, it is what exactly they agreed with his team, the governor and his team. And this is not the first time you have been having this budget settlements. I served in the last regime and I had the same thing. But the current situation, I can't understand why the governor is using his ghost workers, which will slash the budget. These are ghost workers who they are consuming 274 million And our revenue that we managed to collect or to achieve last financial year, it was 304 million. And whatever in the budget is 274 to pay casualties, which to us, we are thinking they are ghost workers, because we cannot understand the budget of 274 and the revenue collection you are getting. I think something mischievous. And the last financial budget, we did not realize all the money that we budgeted for. There are a lot of misappropriations of funds in his office. And in the current budget, there is a vote which is called public money.
I hope you've raised this with the concerned bodies.
Yes, you've raised it. And that's why we are here today. You raised it before. There is no way you can have a PR office with 11 million while the tourism docket is given 3 million. Why?
Maybe, Mr. Speaker, you can add to this and you can give us a way forward, maybe. What will that be?
Let me add something I forgot. On Friday last week, the County Assembly organized for two special sittings, one in the morning and the other one in the afternoon. We were kept waiting until I think 1 is when the memorandum was brought. When we had passed the estimates on Wednesday. Yes.
Then lastly, maybe, let me just get your mind of concerning what's the next step after here.
Okay, kwa majina naitwa Crispus Metinyoki Masaga. Natoka maeneo ya Taveta. Kikubwa zaidi ya yote tunajua baada hii lazima governor atakuja back to his senses na tutakaa chini tusemezane. Kwa sababu at the end of the day tumechaguliwa na wananchi. Kile kilichomfanya governor kuonekana yeye anaweza ni mambo na miradi. Si mambo na hii maneno anayofanya hapa kulete watu kutupigia kelele, hiyo si sawa. Nina hakika serikali yoyote ambayo kama ina mtafarakano watu huketi na kukubaliana. Kuna mambo mengi ambayo alifanya tukataa ile budget ambayo tuliletewa. Budget hiyo hakuna mahali tumekata miradi ambayo anaiongea. Governor anaenda kizunguka akisema kwamba katika hiyo budget hiyo kuna malori amepangilia kufanyia kazi, lakini hiyo budget haina mambo na malori. Hakuna mahali amelocate pesa kama hiyo. Anasema kwamba tumepunguza pesa ya health. Ukiangalia hiyo budget hakuna mahali tumegusa pesa ya health. Pesa ambapo mahali tumegusa pesa ya macasuals ambayo alikuwa anaenda kulipa macasuals 274 million. Sisi kama county government ya Taveta tunakushana ushuru wa shilingi milioni 300. Una muhimu gani wa kukusanya ushuru wa milioni 300 alafu hiyo milioni 300 unalipa wa vibarua? Ni afadhali wafanyabiashara wetu wa Taveta, wa Voi, wa Matate waache kulipa ushuru, lakini wakihakikisha kwamba pale mahali wanafanya kazi hapo mahali wahakikishe pamekuwa pasafi. Lakini kusema kwamba waheshimiwa tumekataa kupitisha budget, hiyo si lengo. Zaidi ya yote pia huyu lawyer ana misadvise. The last time tumemwekea more than 18 million ambaye haizi ku account. Sasa kwa sababu tumeslash hiyo 26 million to 6 million, ndio huyu lawyer ana misadvise governor ya kwamba hii budget ni mbovu. Lakini ukweli wa maneno, tunampenda Samboja na Samboja ni wa kwetu, tutamtetea. Na kumtetea kwake ni kuhakikisha ya kwamba miradi inarudi mashinani. Hiyo ndio itamrudisha Samboja, hiyo ndio itaturudisha sisi kama viongozi wa Taita Taveta. So hatuna ubaya na Samboja, na yote ambaye anapeleka propaganda ya kwamba tuna ubaya na yeye, hatuna ubaya. Kitu tunatetea, tunang'ang'ana Samboja arudi na sisi turudi, kwa sababu maendeleo ndio yataturudisha. Kwa hiyo mengi, asanteni sana.
Labda niongee na huyu sababu kidogo tuanze na majina yako.
Mimi naitwa Christopher Mwambingu, ni chairman wa Public Accounts and Investment Committee.
Kwa uchache.
Governor ameweka casuals 1,300. Na sisi tumesema kama Public Accounts Committee tunaenda kufanya head count ili tujue ghost workers na workers wa ukweli. Kwa sababu hao casuals 1,300 hatuwajui, hatujaona, tumeomba list yake hatujapata. Lakini tunajua wale wengine wako pale leo bado ni ghost workers wake. Kwa hivyo kitu ya kwanza sisi nafikiri tulivyosema tunafanya head count ya wafanyakazi wa county including casuals. Nafikiri ndio sasa anachanganyikiwa. La mwisho kabisa, kusema kwamba kila wadi ipate angalau milioni 41 maendeleo ni vizuri, kwa sababu yeye kuna zile wadi pengine hakupata kura, na kama ukiangalia bajeti yake nazo alizinyima pesa. Kwa hivyo sisi tukasema angalau kila wadi ipate miradi, na hiyo miradi inatekelezwa na serikali yake na department zake. Kwa hivyo sisi tunataka afanye kazi, na kama anasema county kuwe dissolve, tuko tayari kwenda mashinani, tufanye uchaguzi, tupate governor ambaye ataongoza, si mtu ataongoza kwa mtandao.
Asante sana, asante sana. Well, there you have it, Michelle. There's MCAs giving their sentiments concerning what has been happening in the entire county government of Taita Taveta. We've also got a report that later in the day, the governor also be issuing a statement, and you will be wanting to dissolve the county government of Taita Taveta County. We'll be here keeping tabs of what will be happening in our next subsequent bulletins. Back to you in studio.
Many thanks. That is our cost-based reporter Tobias Shanji, live for us from Taita Taveta. Now, Kanu-nominated Senator Halake Abshiro Soka had yesterday